Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today's topic, we're going to learn on nutrition during pregnancy. Okay, so there are six learning outcomes from this topic. Okay, number one, the student should be able to correlate critical periods of growth and development, and what are the potential consequences of inadequate energy and nutrient availability during this period of our future health stages. It means that you can correlate on what are the critical periods of growth and how the consequences when the pregnant mom taken inadequate energy and also nutrient availability. So it's very, very important for you to know because they will affect the future health status of the fetus. Okay. Number two, this is as nutritionist or dietitian, it's very important for the students to know the recommended weight gain range for women who enter the pregnancy when they are underweight. It means that when they enter pregnancy and they are underweight, how many weight gain that recommendations for the weight gain, and for the woman normal weight, and also for the weight and obese. So every this BMI status, they have different recommendations for weight gain throughout the pregnancy. That's number two. Number three, also please make sure that all of you know 5 examples of how the energy and specific nutrients change due to pregnancy. So focus, the need of energy. Of course, there are differences energy intake during the first trimester. There are additional energy intake during the second semester, and as well as increased energy intake during the third trimester. And also, there are specific nutrients that is very, very important during the pregnancy. And of course, the recommendations changes due to pregnancy. Okay, that's number 3. Okay, number 4. All of you need to know or to identify 3 factors, at least 3 factors that influence the nutrient intake or they influence the dietary intake during pregnancy, which are not related to food availability. It means that what are the factors that will influence the dietary intake of the pregnant mom, but it's not related with food availability. Okay, number 5, you should know 3 common health problems. Okay, pregnant mom, they have common health problems. For example, vomiting, they have nausea, okay, and also they have constipation. So you should know these kind of health problems and what are the effectiveness of dietary intervention. How we can advise the pregnant mom if they have they have problem with nausea and also constipation during pregnancy. And last but not least, okay, we also going to look at the common health problems during pregnancy. For example, when you are pregnant, you have obesity, what happened? And of course, there are complications on the fetus, and as well as we are looking into hypertensive disorders ataupun kita panggil sebagai hypertension, and also we looking on the diabetes. I'm sure that you know that during the pregnancy, if the mom get diabetes, is known as gestational diabetes mellitus, and how these nutritional management strategies can support both the maternal and also fetal well-being when these conditions exist during the pregnancy.